And the bottom half of the bus is ready, and the gift card extender part is ready. It will make sense once I assemble it, but yeah, the top part of the bus is ready. Beauty. Time to assemble. And our print is ready. So basically it's the bus driver's appreciation day, so thought of printing something for him. And then this thing holds a gift card. I've added a gift card here, and yeah, sorry, difficult with one hand, but yeah. So mini bus, thanks for keeping us safe. Nice print. Yeah, hope the driver is happy, and hope you guys like it too. Thank you.